Hello guys, I'm Mika. Today we're going to be reading Curious George Goes to the Aquarium. Let's get started reading. Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Mika's Storybox. Today, I'm going to be reading Curious George Goes to the Aquarium by Margaret and H.A. Reyes. This is George. He was a good little monkey and was always very curious. Today, George and the man with the yellow hat were visiting the aquarium. Just then, he heard a splash and a whoop. Water flew high into the air. People cheered. What could that be? George was curious. He hopped over the gate into the aquarium. How surprised he was. Now where was he? It was darker inside and there were fish everywhere. George did not know where to look for first. In one tank, there were sharp-toothed piranhas. In another tank, there were seahorses. In another tank, there was a large herd of octopus. Isn't that large? George saw a group of children across the room. An aquarium staff member was pointing to different sea creatures. This is a starfish, this is a clam, and this is a urchin? Yeah, urchin. Nearby there was a long, low, colorful tank. It was perfect for touching. Do not dodge. George was curious. As he reached his hand into the water, a large crab came scuttling out from under a rock and right toward his finger. Snap! Ouch! Poor George. He did not like this exhibit. The sign said, "Do not touch!" Do not touch. George slipped out a door into the sunlight, but oh, what was going on here? George saw fat, funny-looking black and white fish flying under the water. As he watched, they flew up out of the water. What kind of fish does that, and where did they go? George wondered. George climbed up it and into their exhibit. Penguins! Yeah, give me a penguin! I want a penguin! They were not fish at all, but penguins, of course. George hopped like a penguin, flapped his wings like a penguin, waddled like a penguin. A crowd gathered and laughed. But when he slid on his belly like a penguin, dot, dot, dot. The aquarium staff stopped to check on the penguins. A monkey in the penguin exhibit. George opened a door to escape, but instead all the penguins ran out. Penguins everywhere. The staff was angry at George. How could they catch all the penguins? George's a monkey. Couldn't he just, like yeeted himself out of the exhibit? In all the excitement, nobody noticed the penguin chick falling into the water, no one but George. The baby penguin hadn't learned to swim yet. As only a monkey can, George scaled the rope hanging over the beluga tank and swung over the water, saving the chick. Oh, so adorable! The monkey helped the baby penguin, said a boy in the crowd. No one else could have saved him, said a girl. The director thanked George for his help and made him an honorary staff member of the aquarium. Yeah. I am the savior, I'm a savior, I'm a monkey too. I wonder if George ever learned to talk in the future. That'd be cool. George said goodbye to his new penguin friends. He could not wait to come back to the aquarium and visit them. The end. Thank you guys for watching Mika's Toy Box. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye!